is a complaint? So yes, the supervision guidelines say we need to have a complaints register and we need to have a complaints policy, and of course we do. And that should be readily available. It's either on your website, or there's a possibility of people making sending you an email with a complaint, or making sure that it's going to the right person within the organisation. But it's really best, whatever your complaints policy is, and it's probably in your policy and procedures manual and in your supervision guidelines, then make sure that it's also available, or your staff know about it and your customers know about it. So what is a complaint? Is it somebody's hot water system is broken? No, that's a repair and maintenance issue. If it's not fixed in a timely manner, if nothing's been done about it, and it's now leaking through, you're in a strata, you're managing a property that's in a strata, and it's leaking through to the unit below, and it's now 3 days later and nothing's been done about it, and the tenant's ringing up saying the hot water system hasn't been fixed, we've had no hot water for 3 days, well, you said it would be here 2 days ago, you then said it would be yesterday, we've got nothing, you're not doing anything about it, now you've got a complaint. Okay, think about this. Is it something that if a tenant or a landlord or any level of customer took the complaint to fair trading and they came back and asked you about it, should you have done something about it? The answer is yes, it's a complaint. So, it's a fairly easy thing there. It's not a repair and maintenance issue the first time you're asked, or whatever your repair and maintenance procedure is, whether it's they send an email or whether they send a text or whether they log into an app or whatever system you are using within your office. The first time somebody makes a repair and maintenance request is not a complaint. It's when it's not dealt with in the using appropriate procedures that it has the possibility of turning into a complaint. So guys, making sure that you keep a record of the complaints, have your complaints policy easily accessible, perhaps on your website. It doesn't need to be front and centre and bright lights around it saying, here, make a complaint about us. But it is more about having it there and having a link on it. Click here and an email comes straight to you. So it's in writing. And sometimes some people just need to ring up, get something off their chest, and then it's over. And you can talk that through. So, pick up the phone, deal with it. If it goes further than that, then it's how you deal with that. And, general complaints procedure should be, complaint comes in writing or, telephone. You ask them to put in writing. Sometimes it's not. You acknowledge the complaint in writing, so email back. You tell them how long it's going to take you to investigate and get back to them. Give yourself time in case, you get busy. So 7 days, 14 days, somewhere in there that you will respond within that time frame. Make sure you do. Make sure it's in writing. Make sure there's a record of it, e.g. use email. And, whatever it's, whether it's going to please them or not please them, you respond. Okay, so you say, this is the deal, this is what happened, this is how this is the resolution that you're proposing. Now, as I said, it may or may not please them, that resolution, but at least you've done that. So if that complaint goes further and you are then asked, what did you do about this? Here you go. Here's the documentation that goes along with it. So showing that you are behaving as a professional, and it's one of the requirements of the supervision guidelines. So you need to keep a record of that, and that's in your complaints register.